Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 6. Here you see question number 6 is Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. From B she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? Let us solve this one. Here you see, Rita goes 20 km from towards east from a point A. That means Rita goes towards east it will be represented by plus, that is plus 20 km. It will be equal to, it will be it is equal to Rita goes towards east, that is represented by plus 20 km, right? Rita goes towards west will be represented by negative integer, that is minus 30 km, right? Then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? Therefore, you can say that we can represent distance traveled towards west by negative integer. We represent the distance. We represent the distance. We represent the distance traveled towards west. Traveled towards west by negative integer. Negative integer. And you see here we have written minus 30 km. How will you represent the distance traveled towards west? That is, it is represented by negative integer. By which integer will you represent her final position from A? Final position is equal to final position is equal to 20 minus 30 km, and that can be represented as minus 10 km. What is the meaning of minus? Minus means the distance will be 10 km towards west from position A. That is like this. That is minus 10 km, right? Minus 10 km means towards west. That is final position. Final position is final position from A is 10 km towards 10 km towards west from A. Final position from A is 10 km towards west, right? Now represent it in the number line. Here you see we are representing it in a number line. If this is a number line, right, that means 20 km towards east. Suppose this is 20 km. B is 20 kilometer. This is 20 kilometer. This is represented by plus sign. That is from 0 to here it is 20 kilometer. Right? Up to here it is 20 kilometer. And minus 30 kilometer, that means from here we will represent it is up to 30 kilometer. See here, it is represented as minus 30 kilometer. Therefore, the final position, suppose this one. Now the final position is this one from here to here, and that is represented by minus 10 kilometer. Right, 10 kilometer. Therefore, final position from A is 10 kilometer towards west. Let us repeat once again. Rita goes towards east is plus 20 kilometer. Rita goes towards west is equal to minus 30 kilometer. Therefore, we represent the distance traveled towards west by a negative integer, that is minus 30. And final position is equal to 20 minus 30 kilometer, that is minus 10 kilometer. Final position from A is 10 kilometers towards west. That is the final position. And that is represented by minus 10 kilometer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.